Across centuries, kitchens hid clever methods that turned plain grains into feasts, linking ancient hands to modern palates. In Mesopotamian granaries, doughs rose with wild yeasts, while spice traders carried caravans that seasoned far distant plates. Roman potters and Chinese artisans shared broth techniques, inspiring slow-simmered soups whose aromas still haunt today. From medieval bakehouses to colonial markets, fermentations, roasting, and steeped infusions stitched common threads through diverse tables. The Chronicle invites audiences to taste history, discovering how yesterday's tricks shape today's everyday meals in markets, kitchens, and home.